Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the green screen filter on Instagram Story and Reels. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. Green screen filter allows you to add a video or a photo beyond the person you're recording, whether it's you or someone else. This is great for stories and reels where you're explaining something or trying to show to your viewers what you're talking about. So let me show you how to get this filter on your Instagram story first. On your phone, open up the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign and then tap on story. Swipe right on the filter library until you see this icon. It's a green circle with a grey person inside. If you don't see this, then swipe left all the way and then find search. Tap on it, then search for green screen. Select the one with the two ladies on it. At the bottom, it'll say green screen from Instagram. Now, once you select that filter, you'll see your screen change to green and you'll see yourself as a cutout. Tap on Add Media to change the background to whatever you like. It can be a photo or a video. Choose a photo or a video from your photo library. For this example, I'll choose a video. After selecting a video, on the screen you can trim the beginning and the end of the video. Then tap on Add once you've completed it. This will process the video and after some time, it will show up on screen. Now, using your finger, you can pinch and move yourself anywhere on the screen. Once you're happy with that, you can then post it to your Instagram stories. Now, to get this on Instagram Reel, first you need to go into the recording screen for Reels, tap on Effects at the bottom, search for green screen, tap on this icon here with the green background. Again, the same process applies. Select a background from your photo library. It can be a photo or a video. And once the importing process is complete, you can pinch and move yourself anywhere on the screen. And that is how to use the green screen filter on Instagram Story and Reels. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.